So yeah, you can see this, it's looking pretty nice. Yeah, so after that, let's say the flex direction has to be column. um, Column. Yeah. Nice looking. Then we would say also that since it is flex direction, flex wrap, flex wrap, yeah, yeah, it's also looking good while in mobile. So now it's a big deal. Let's inspect it and see how it actually looks in mobile. Oh, so dot lander in H1 width would actually be 90% and text direction, text align would be center. Now let's see. Yeah, see, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. Now we have to work with this button. So lander button width would be 120 px. Width would be 120 px. Height would be 40 px. Border radius, it's gonna be a round button, so 40 px. Background is going to be yellow. Color is going to be black. Border is going to be none. Box shadow is going to be 0px, 20px. RGB is 0, 0, 0.5. 34, yeah, that's good. Then after box shadow, outline. Let's see. This is how it's looking now. Okay. Pretty backdated website. I don't like this kind of. Let's change this border radius to 5. At least that can make it look something good. Then over here, this would be 2, and the color would be FFF because the background is going to be /000 black. That, yes, now the button is actually looking acceptable. So let's give it a background. We would go to unsplash.com. Over there we would see an image. Let's say we are techie people, right? So Oppo, no, not really. This image is looking. Oh, no, not this. Yes, this one is pretty amazing. Copy the image address. Come over here. Come to lander. Then, oh, pretty crazy. Wind is blowing over here. Background URL. Let me make it word wrap. Yeah. Center, no repeat. Cover. Yeah, that's good. And this each one should be more bold. font size 3 RE. Okay, that's good. But then these paths are not recognizable. Let's do a thing. Cut it out. Background is gonna be transparent. Background is gonna be transparent. RGBA, yeah, 255, 255, 255. And over here 0.5 backdrop. Okay, so we would give a backdrop backdrop filter over here. Backdrop filter is gonna be blur by px. Position is gonna be relative. Okay, now dot lambda, a pseudo element before position is gonna be absolute. Width is gonna be 100%, height is gonna be 100%, position is gonna be absolute. Oh, I have already said that. Yeah, Z index is gonna be -1, a -1, and backward. Let's see. Content is gonna be nothing. Yes, now it's gonna be fine. Yes, now it's perfect.